Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Om Ajnanatimidandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Chapter 23, the first text. पितृभ्यां प्रस्थिते साध्वी पतिमिंगित कोविदा नित्यं पर्यचरत् प्रीत्या भवानीव भवं प्रभुम्।
Translation. Maitreya continued, after the departure of her parents, the chaste woman Devahuti, who could understand the desires of her husband, served him constantly with great love, as Bhavani, the wife of Lord Shiva, serves her husband. Hare Krishna.
So the ideal husband and wife within the material universe is Shivaji and Parvatiji. Vishrambhenatma shauchena Gauravena damena cha Sushrushaya sauhridena Vacha madhuraya cha bho.
Translation. O Vidura, Devahuti served her husband with intimacy and great respect, with control of the senses, with love and with sweet words. Hare Krishna.
Visrijya kamam dambham cha Dvesham lomaghamam padam Apramatyodyata nityam Tejiyan samatoshayat.
Translation. Working sanely and diligently, she pleased her very powerful husband, giving up all lust, pride, envy, greed, sinful activities and vanity. Hare Krishna.
Savai deva varshivaryasta manavim samanurata Daivad gariya sapatyuh Ashasana mahashishah Kalena bhuya sakshamam Karshitam Charyaya Prema gadgadaya vacha Pidita kripaya bravit.
Translation. The daughter of Manu, who was fully devoted to her husband, looked upon him as greater even than Providence. Thus, she expected great blessings from him. Having served him for a long time, she grew weak and emaciated due to her religious observances. Seeing her condition, Kardama, the foremost of celestial sages, was overcome with compassion and spoke to her in a voice choked with great love. Hare Krishna.
Kardama vacha. तुष्टोऽहम् अद्य तव मानविमानदाय शुश्रूषया परमया परया च भक्त्या यो देहि नामयमतीव सुहृत्सदेहो नावेक्षितः समुचितः क्षपितुं मदर्थे
Translation. Kardama Muni said, O respectful daughter of Swayambhuva Manu, today I am very much pleased with you for your great devotion and most excellent loving service. Since the body is so dear to embodied beings, I am astonished that you have neglected your own body to use it on my behalf. Hare Krishna.
ये मे स्वधर्म निरतस्य तपस्समाधि
मे स्वधर्मनिरतस्य तपस्समाधि
विद्यात्मयोगा विजिता भगवत्प्रसादा
आत्मयोगा विजिता भगवत् प्रसादा
तानेव ते मदनुसेवनया वरुद्धान्
मदनुसेवया वरुद्धम्
दृष्टिं प्रपश्य विदराम्य भयानशोकान्
प्रपस्य वितराम्य भयानशोकान्.
Translation. Kardama Muni continued, I have achieved the blessings of the Lord in discharging my own religious life of austerity, meditation, and Krishna consciousness. Although you have not yet experienced these achievements, which are free from fear and lamentation, I shall offer them all to you because you are engaged in my service. Now just look at them. I am giving you the transcendental vision to see how nice they are. Hare Krishna.
So what he has achieved, we will not understand. That is, she will not understand, because he is a very exalted mystic. So in Gita also it is said, Yam labdvacha aparam labham na manyase adhikam tataha. Once you come to the spiritual perfection, the pleasure experienced there, tasted there, there is nothing more to that, superior to that. But that you will only know when you come there. Because a pig in the drain water, used to that gutter, if you tell her, oh my dear pig, there is something like Ganges, water is very taste, placid sheet, come. No, I'm okay. So unless you taste Ganges water, you will not know. So therefore he says that just like Krishna told Arjuna, Dadami Divyam Chakshu, same thing he says, I give you the eyes through which you can see. Anye punarbhagavato bhruvavudvijrumbha
पुनर्भगवतो ब्रुवमुद्विजम्बा
विभ्रंशितार्थरचना विमुरुक्रमस्य
विभ्रंशितार्थरचना किमुरुक्रमस्य
सिद्धासि भुङ्क्ष्व विभवान् निजधर्मदोहान्
सिद्धासि भुङ्क्ष्व विभवान् निजधर्मदोहान्
दिव्यानरै दुरधिगान् नृपविक्राभिः
दिव्यानरे दुरधिगान् नृपविक्राभिः. Translation. Kardama Muni continued, what is the use of enjoyments other than the Lord's grace? All material achievements are subject to be unhighlighted simply by a movement of the eyebrows of Lord Vishnu, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. By your principles of devotion to your husband, you have achieved and can enjoy transcendental gifts very rarely obtained by persons proud of aristocracy and material possessions. Hare Krishna.
He gives a hint that you are the daughter of the emperor of the whole world, but what you have enjoyed that is zero. Now see, I will give you the eye, you see what kind of enjoyment is this. Evam Bhruvanam Abhalakhila Yoga Maya
Evam Bhruvanam Abhalakhila Yoga Maya
Vidya Vichakshanam Avikshya Gatadhirasi
Vidya Vichakshanam Avikshya Gatadhirasi
Sampashaya Pranaya Vihvalaya Giresha
Samprashaya Pranaya Vihvalaya Girasa
Vridavaloka Vilasadhasitananaha
Vridavaloka Vilasadhasitananaha.
Translation. Upon hearing the speaking of her husband, who excelled in knowledge of all kinds of transcendental science, innocent Devahuti was very satisfied, her smiling face shining with a slightly bashful glance. She spoke in a choked voice because of great humility and love. Hare Krishna.
Radambhatadvijabrishaitamoghyoga
Adambhatadvijavrishaitadamogayoga
Mayadhipe tvai vibhota daivi bhavartaha
Mayadipe tvayi vibodadavaimi bhaktaha
Yastebhyadhayi samayassa kridanga sango
Yaste vyadadi samaya sakridanga sango
Bhuyad gariyasi guna prasavasatina
Bhuya gariyasi guna prasavasatinam. Translation. Sri Devahuti said, My dear husband, O best of Brahmanas, I know that you have achieved perfection and are the master of all the infallible mystic powers because you are under the protection of Yoga Maya, the transcendental nature. But you once made a promise that our bodily union should now fulfill. Since children are a great quality for a chaste woman who has a glorious husband. Hare Krishna.
Tatreti krityamupashikshya yathopadesham
Tantreti krityam upashiksha yatopadesham
Yenaisha me karshito atiridam sayatma Siddheta te kritamano bhavadarshitaya
Etate kritamano bhavadarshitaya
Dinastadisha bhavanam sadrisham vichakshva
Dinastadisha bhavanam sadrisham vikshava.
Translation. Devahuti continued, My dear Lord, I am struck by excited emotion for you. Therefore, kindly make what arrangements must be made according to the scriptures so that my skinny body, emaciated through unsatisfied passion, may be rendered fit for you. Also, my Lord, please think of a suitable house for this purpose. Hare Krishna.
Priyaya priyamanvichan
Yaya priyamanvichan
Kardamo yogamastitaha
Kardamo yogamastitaha
Vimanam kamagam kshattaha
Pranam kamagam shatta
Tarhyeva virachikarat
Taryeva virachikarat. Translation. Maitreya continued, O Vidura, seeking to please his beloved wife, the sage Kardama exercised his yogic power and instantly produced an aerial mansion that could travel at his will. Hare Krishna.
Sarva kamadugham divyam
Sarva kama dugam divyam
Sarvaratna samanvitam
Sarvaratna samanvitam
Sarvardhi upachayodarkam
Sarvadya upachayodarkam
Manistambhairupaskritam
Manisambhairupaskritam.
Translation. It was a wonderful structure, bedecked with all sorts of jewels, adorned with pillars of precious stones, and capable of yielding whatever one desired. It was equipped with every form of furniture and wealth, which tended to increase in the course of time. Hare Krishna.
Divyopakaranopētam
Divyopakaranopētam
Sarvakala sukhavaham
Sarvakala sukhavaham
Pattikābhir patākābhir
Pattikābhi patākābhi
Vichitrābhiralankritam
Vichitrābhiralankritam
Sragbhir vichitramalyaabhir
Shragbhir vichitramalyabhir
Manjushinjat shadangribhih
Manjushinjat shadangribihi
Dukulakshaumakausheyai
Dukulakshaumakausheye
Nānavastrai virajitam
Nanavastrai virajitam. Translation. The castle was fully equipped with all necessary paraphernalia, and it was pleasing in all seasons. It was decorated all around with flags, festoons, and artistic work of variegated colors. It was further embellished with wreaths of charming flowers that attracted sweetly humming bees, and with tapestries of linen, silk, and various other fabrics. Hare Krishna.
उपर्युपरि विन्यस्त
Upari vinyasta
निलयेषु पृथक् पृथक्
Nilayeshu pratak pratak
क्षिप्तैकशुभुभिः कान्तम्
Shiktai kashuvikantam
पर्यङ्कव्यजनासनै
Aryanka Vijanasanai.
Translation. The palace looked charming with beds, couches, fans and seats, all separately arranged in 7 stories. Hare Krishna.
तत्र तत्र विनिक्षिप्त
Tatra vinikshipta
नानाशिल्पोपशोभितम्
Nana shilpopashobhitam
महामरकतस्थल्या
Marakatastalya
जुष्टम् विद्रुमवेदिभिः
Dushtam vidruma vedibihi. Translation. Its beauty was enhanced by artistic engravings here and there on the walls. The floor was of emerald with coral dices. Hare Krishna.
द्वासु विद्रुमदेहल्या
Vashu vidruma dehalya
भातम् वज्रकपाटवत्
Atam vajrakapatavat
शिखरेष्वनिद्नीलेषु
Shikareshu indranileshu
हेमकुम्भैरधिश्रितम्
Hemakumbhairadhishritam.
Translation. The palace was very beautiful with its coral thresholds at the entrances and its door bedecked with diamonds. Gold pinnacles crowned its domes of sapphire. Hare Krishna.
चक्षुष्मत्पद्मरागाग्रे
Maragagre
वज्रभित्तिषु निर्मितैः
Vajrabhittishu nirmitai
जुष्टम् विचित्रवैतानैः
Tam vichitra vaitanai
महार्हैः हेमतोरणैः
Maharhairematoranai. Translation. With the choicest rubies set in its diamond walls, it appeared as though possessed of eyes. It was furnished with wonderful canopies and greatly valuable gates of gold. Hare Krishna.
हंसपादाव्रतवातैः
Saparavata vratai
तत्र तत्र निकूजितम्
Tatra tatra nikojitam
कृत्रिमान् मन्यमानैः स्वान्
Triman manyamanai svam
अधिरुह्याधिरुह्य च
Ruhyadiruhyacha.
Translation. Here and there in that palace were multitudes of live swans and pigeons, as well as artificial swans and pigeons so lifelike that the real swans rose above them again and again, thinking them live birds like themselves. Thus the palace vibrated with the sounds of these birds. Hare Krishna.
विहारस्थान विश्राम
Viharasthana vishrama
संवेश प्राङ्गणाजिरैः
Vesha pranganarjirai
यथोपजोषं रचितैः
Yopajosham rachitai
विस्पानमिव आत्मनः
Vismapanamivatmanaha. Translation. The castle had pleasure grounds, resting chambers, bedrooms, and inner and outer yards designed with an eye to comfort. All this caused astonishment to the sage himself. Hare Krishna.
ईदृगृहं तत्पश्यन्ति
Idrigriham tat pashyantim
नातिप्रीतेन चेतसा
Nati pritena chetasa
सर्वभूताशयाभिज्ञः
Sarvabhutashaya bhignaha
प्रावोचत्कर्दमस्वयम्
Avochat kardamasvayam.
Translation. When he saw Devahuti looking at the gigantic opulent palace with a displeased heart, Kardama Muni could understand her feelings because he could study the heart of anyone. Thus he personally addressed his wife as follows. Hare Krishna.
निमज्जयास्मिन् हृदेभिरु
Nimajjayasmin hade biru
विमानमिदमारुह
Vimanamidamaruha
इदं शुक्लकृतं तीर्थम्
Idam shuklakritam tirtam
आशिषां व्यापकं नृणाम्
Ashisham yapakam drinam. Translation. My dear Devahuti, you look very much afraid. first bathe in Lake Bindu Sarovara, created by Lord Vishnu himself, which can grant all the desires of a human being, and then mount this airplane. Hare Krishna.
सातद् भर्तु समादाय
भर्तु समाधाय
वचकुवलयेक्षणा
कुवलयक्षणा
सरजं बिभ्रति वासो
सरजं बिभ्रति वासो
वेणीभूतांश्च मूर्धजा
वेणीभूतांश मूर्धजान्.
Translation. The lotus-eyed Devahuti accepted the order of her husband. Because of her dirty dress and the locks of matted hair on her head, she did not look very attractive. Hare Krishna.
अंगं च मलपङ्केन
अंगं च मलपङ्केन
सञ्चन्नं शबलस्तनं
सञ्चन्नं शबलस्तनम्
आविवेश सरस्वत्या
आविवेश सरस्वत्या
शिवजलाशयम्
शिवजलाशयम्. Translation. Her body was coated with a thick layer of dirt and her breasts were discolored. She dove, however, into the lake which contained the sacred waters of the Saraswati. Hare Krishna.
शान्त सरस्वती विश्मस्था
Santa Saraswati Veshmasta
शतानि दश कन्यकाः
Tani Dasha Kanyaka
सर्वा किशोरवयसो
Sarva Kishora Vayaso
ददर्शोत्पलगन्धयः
Dadoshotpala Gandhayaha.
Translation. In a house inside the lake, she saw 1,000 girls, all in the prime of youth and fragrant like lotuses. Hare Krishna.
तां दृष्ट्वा सहसोत्थाय
Tam Drishtva Sahasotaya
रोचु प्राञ्जलयस्त्रियः
Pranjalaya Striyaha
वयं कर्म करिस्तुभ्यम्
Vayam Karma Karistubhyam
शाधिनः करभाम किम्
Adinakkaravamakim. Translation. Seeing her, the damsels suddenly rose and said with folded hands, "We are your maidservants. Tell us what we can do for you." Hare Krishna.
स्नानेन तामहार्हेण
Anena tamaharena
स्नापयित्वा मनस्विनीम्
Napayitva manasvinim
दुकूले निर्मले नूत्ने
Kule nirmale nutne
ददुरस्यै च मानदा
Adurasya manada.
Translation. The girls, being very respectful to Devahuti, brought her forth, and after bathing her with valuable oils and ointments, they gave her fine, new, spotless cloth to cover her body. Hare Krishna.
भूषणानि पदार्ध्यानि
Bhushanani parardhyani
वरीयांसि द्युमन्ति च
Harishyamsi dumanti cha
अन्नं सर्वगुणोपेतम्
Annam sarvagunopetam
पानं चैवामृतासवम्
Anam Shaivamritaswanam. Translation. They then decorated her with very excellent and valuable jewels, which shone brightly. Next, they offered her food containing all good qualities and a sweet, inebriating drink called asavanam. Hare Krishna.
अथादर्शे स्वमात्मानम्
Atadarshe swamatmanam
सग्विणं विरजाम्बरम्
Svargvinam virajambaram
विरजं कृतस्वस्त्ययनम्
virajam krita swastayanam
कन्याभिर्बहुमानितम्
Kanyabir bahumanitam. Translation. Then in a mirror she beheld her own reflection. Her body was completely freed from all dirt, and she was adorned with a garland, dressed in unsullied robes and decorated with auspicious marks of tilaka. She was served very respectfully by the maids. Hare Krishna.
कृतशिरस्नानम्
Snatam krita shirasnanam
सर्वाभरणभूषितम्
Sarvabharana bhushitam
निष्कग्रीवं बलयिनम्
Nishkagrivam balainam
कूजत्काञ्चननूपुरम्
Jarkanchana nupuram. Translation. Her entire body, including her head, was completely bathed, and she was decorated all over with ornaments. She wore a special necklace with a locket. There were bangles on her waist and tinkling anklets of gold about her ankles. Hare Krishna.
श्रोण्योधर्ध्यस्तया काञ्च्या
Agastya Kancha
काञ्चन्या बहुरत्नया
Jaya Bahuratnaya
हारेण च महार्हेण
Harena Chamaharena
रुचकेन च भूषितम्
Kachena Chabhushitam. Translation. About her hips she wore a girdle of gold set with numerous jewels, and she was further adorned with precious pearl necklace and auspicious substances. Hare Krishna.
सुदता सुभ्रवा लक्ष्णा
Tata Subhrava Lakshna
स्निग्धापाङ्गेन चक्षुषा
Dapangena Chakshusha
पद्मघोषस्पृधा नीलैः
Padmakosha Spridhanilai
अलकैश्चलसन्मुखम्
Alakaichala Sanmukam. Translation. Her countenance shone with beautiful teeth and charming eyebrows. Her eyes, distinguished by lovely moist corners, defeated the beauty of lotus buds. Her face was surrounded by dark curling tresses. Hare Krishna.
यदा स्मासारऋषभम्
Yada sasmara rishabham
ऋषीणाम् दयितम् पतिम्
rishinam daitam patim
तत्र चास्ते सहस्त्रीभिः
tatra chaste sahastribhi
यत्रास्ते स प्रजापतिः
yatraste sajapati.
Translation. When she thought of her great husband, the best of the sages, Kardama Muni, who was very dear to her, she, along with all the maid servants, at once appeared where he was. Hare Krishna.
भर्तुः पुरस्तादात्मानम्
Bhartu purastadatmanam
स्त्रीसहस्रभृतम् तदा
sahasravritam tada
निशाम्य तद्योगगतिम्
shamya tadyogagatim
संशयम् प्रत्यपद्यत
Shayam pratyapadyata.
Translation. She was amazed to find herself surrounded by 1,000 maids in the presence of her husband and to witness his yogic power. Hare Krishna.
सताम् कृतमलस्नानानाम्
Satam krita malasnanam
विभ्राजन्तीमपूर्ववत्
Vibrajantim apurvavat
आत्मनो बिभ्रतीम् रूपम्
Atmano bipratim rupam
संवीतरुचिरस्तनिम्
Samvita ruchirastanim
विद्याधरी सहस्रेण
Yadari sahasrena
सेव्यमानम् सुभाससम्
Sevyamanam subhasanam
जातभावो विमानम्
Jatabhavo
विमानम् तत् आरोहयतमित्रहन्
Arohayatamitrahan. Translation. The sage could see that Devahuti had washed herself clean and was shining forth as though no longer his former wife. She had regained her own original beauty as the daughter of a prince. Dressed in excellent robes, her charming breast duly girded, she was waited upon by 1,000 Gandharva girls. O destroyer of the enemy, his fondness for her grew, and he placed her on an aerial mansion. Hare Krishna.
तस्मिन्नप्लुप्तमहिमा प्रिययानुरक्तो
Tasmin
Alupta mahima priyayanurakto
विद्याधरीभिः उपचीर्णवपुर्विमाने
Vidyadaribi upachirna vapurvimane
बभ्राज उत्कचकुमुद गणान् अपि च
Vibraja utkacha kumudganama
समानपि च ताराभिवृत इडोपौडुपनिर्भस्तः
Araviraavrita ivado
उडुपपतिर्नभस्तः
Translation. Though seemingly attached to his beloved consort while served by the Gandharva girls, the sage did not lose his glory, which was mastery over his self. In the aerial mansion, Kardama Muni, with his consort shone as charmingly as the moon in the midst of the stars in the sky, which causes rows of lilies to open in ponds at night. Hare Krishna.
तेनाष्टलोकविहारकुलाचलेन्द्र
लोकापविहारलुकाचलेन्द्र
द्रोणीष्वनङ्गसरमारुतसौभगासु
द्रोणीष्वनङ्गसकमारुतसौभगासु
सिद्धैर्नितोद्युनिपात शिवस्वनासु
सिद्धैर्नुतोद्युनिपातशिवस्वनासु
रेमे चिरं धनदवल्लनवावरुथि
Translation. In that aerial mansion, he traveled to the pleasure valleys of Mount Meru, which were rendered all the more beautiful by cool, gentle, fragrant breezes that stimulated passion. In these valleys, the treasurer of the gods, Kuvera, surrounded by beautiful women and praised by the Siddhas, generally enjoys pleasure. Kardama Muni also, surrounded by the beautiful damsels and his wife, went there and enjoyed for many, many years. Hare Krishna.
वैश्रम्भके सुरसने
वैष्णम्भके सुरसने
नन्दने पुष्पभद्रके
नन्दने पुष्पभद्रके
मानसे चैत्ररथे च
मानसे चैत्ररथे च
सरे मे रामया रतः
सरे मे रामया रतः. Satisfied by his wife, he enjoyed in that aerial mansion not only on Mount Meru but in different gardens known as Vaishrambaka, Surasana, Nandana, Pushpabhadraka and Chaitra Ratya and by the Manasa Sarovara lake. Hare Krishna.
Brajishnuna vimanena
Rajishnuna nivamena
Kamagena mahiyasa
Kamagena mahiyasa
Vaimanikan atyasheta
Vaimanikan atyasheta
Charan lokan yatha nilaha
Charan lokan yatha nilaha.
Translation. He traveled in that way through the various planets as the air passes uncontrolled in every direction. Coursing through the air in that great and splendid aerial mansion, which could fly at his will, he surpassed even the demigods. Hare Krishna.
Kim durapadanam tesham
Kim durapadanam tesham
Pumsamuddama chetasam
Samuddhana chetasam
Yairashrita tirthapada
Yairashrita tirthapada
Charano vyasanatyayah
Charano vyasanatyayah. Translation. What is difficult to achieve for determined men who have taken refuge of the Supreme Personality of Godhead's lotus feet? His feet are the source of sacred rivers like the Ganges, which put an end to the dangers of mundane life. Hare Krishna.
So he was not merely a yogi who could do all this magic and create so many beautiful things. He himself saw God personally. He saw Lord Narayana personally. And he appreciated his spirit of penances. So therefore, in the Gita, Krishna says, Yoginamapi sarvesham madgatena antaratmana. So of all the yogis, which yogi is the best? Who worships him with love in the heart, antaratmana. So he was one such a person, therefore he could create all this and still be not attached. Preshayitva bhuvo golam Patneyavan swasanstaya Bhagvasharyam mahayogi Swam swashamaya nyavartata.
Translation. After showing his wife the globe of the universe and its different arrangements, full of many wonders, the great yogi Kardama Muni returned to his own hermitage. Hare Krishna.
Vibhajya navadhatmanam
Vibhajya navadhatmanam
Manavim suratotsukam
Manavim suratoksukam
Ramam niramayan reme
Rama Niramayan Breme
Varshapugan muhurtava
Varshapugan Muhurtavat.
Translation. After coming back to his hermitage, he divided himself into 9 personalities just to give pleasure to Devahuti, the daughter of Manu, who was eager for sex life. In that way, he enjoyed with her for many years, which passed just like a moment. Hare Krishna.
Tasmin vimana utkrishtam
Tasmin Vimana Utkrishta
Shayyam ratikarim shrita
Sharyam Ratikarim Shrita
Nacha budhyata tam kalam
Nacha Budhyatakam Kalam
Patyapi chena sangata
Pratyapichena Sangata. Translation. In that aerial mansion, Devahuti, in the company of her handsome husband, situated on an excellent bed that increased sexual desires, could not realize how much time was passing. Hare Krishna.
Evam yoganubhavena
Evam yoganubhavena
Dampatyo ramamanayo
Dampatyo Ramamanayo
Shatam vyatiyush sharadaha
Sadambatiyo Sharadaha
Kamalala sarvamana
Amalala Sayormanak.
Translation. While the couple who eagerly longed for sexual pleasure were thus enjoying themselves by virtue of mystic powers, 100 autumns passed like a brief span of time. Hare Krishna.
Tasyam adatare tastvam
Asyam agataretastvam
Bhavayan atmanatmavid
Bhavayan Atmanatmavid
Nodha vidhaya rupam swam
Noda Vidhaya Rupaswam
Sarvasankalpa vidvibhu
Sarva Sankalpa Vidvibhu. Translation. The powerful Kardama Muni was the knower of everyone's heart, and he could grant whatever one desired. Knowing the spiritual soul, he regarded her as half of his body. Dividing himself into 9 forms, he impregnated Devahuti with 9 discharges of semen. Hare Krishna.
Atasa sushube sadyo
Sushuve sadyo
Devahuti striya praja
Devahuti Striya Praja
Sarvatascharu sarvangyo
Sarvastascharu Sarvangyo
Lohitotpala gandhaya
Rohitotpala gandhaya. Translation. Immediately afterward, on the same day, Devahuti gave birth to 9 female children, all charming in every limb, fragrant with the scent of the red lotus flower. Hare Krishna.
Patim savrajayish pravrajayantam
Patim swa pravrajashyantam
Tada lakshoshati bahi
Tada Lakshyo Sati Bahi
Smayamana viklavena
Swayamana Viklavena
Hridayena viduyata
Dayena Viduyata. Translation. When she saw her husband about to leave home, she smiled externally, but at heart she was agitated and distressed. Hare Krishna.
Likantyadhomukhi bhumim
Likantyadho mukhi bhumim
Padanakhamani shriya
Anakamani Shriya
Uvacha lalitam vacham
Vacha lalitam vacham
Nirudhya shrukalam shanai
Nirudhya Shrukalam Sanai.
Translation. She stood and scratched the ground with her foot, which was radiant with the luster of her gem-like nails. Her head bent down, she spoke in slow yet charming accents, suppressing her tears. Hare Krishna.
सर्वं तद्भगवान् मह्यम्
Sarvam tad Bhagavan Mahyam
उपोवाह प्रतिश्रुतम्
Upovaha Pratishrutam
अथापि मे प्रपन्नाय
Atapi me prapannaya
अभयं दातुमर्हसि
Abhayam datum arhasi. Translation. Sri Devahuti said, "My Lord, you have fulfilled all the promises you gave me. Yet, because I am your surrendered soul, you should give me fearlessness too." Hare Krishna.
ब्रह्मन् दुहितृभिस्तुभ्यम्
Brahman duhitribhistubhyam
विमृग्यापतयः समाः
Vigyapataya sama
कश्चित् स्यान्मे विशोकाय
Kasyachyalme vishokaya
त्वयि प्रव्रजिते वनम्
Tvahi pravrajite vanam.
Translation. My dear Brahmana, as far as your daughters are concerned, they will find their own suitable husbands and go away to their respective homes. But who will give me solace after your departure as a sannyasi? Hare Krishna.
See, that is intelligence. She doesn't say, you don't go. She doesn't say, you be here and continue with me. No, because she is trained in Vedic tradition, she said, yes, you have to go, you go. You told that as a condition even before marriage. But now you give me some support before you go. That is, give me a son. That's what he's indirectly asking him. Etavatalam kalena
Etavatalam kalena
Vyatikrantena me prabho
Yatikrantena me prabho
Indriyartha prasangena
Indriyartha prasangena
Parityakta paratmanaha.
Parityakta paratmanaha. Translation. Until now, we have simply wasted so much of our time in sense gratification, neglecting to cultivate knowledge of the Supreme Lord. Hare Krishna.
This sense comes only when you are 60-65. When you have the first cataract operation, then the lady will cry, nobody is taking me to Badri Ashram. Are you have already cataract, you are finished. You should go to Badri Ashram at 25, not at 65-70. So when you have gout trouble, he will want to climb some Kashmir. You should actually do everything when you are in 20s and 30s. So until now we have wasted time. Yeah, we don't realize. Even we hearing, we are not realizing even now. See, you will again come to this stage only when you reach 65-70. That is unfortunate. That is why we invite you and speak all this to you, so that you understand right now and take some steps. Indriyateshu sajjantya
Indriyateshu sajjantya
Prasangastvai me krita
Sangastvai me krita
Ajanantya param bhavam
Ajanantya param bhavam
Tathapyastva vihaya me
Tadapyasta abhayaya me.
Translation. Not knowing your transcendental situation, I have loved you while remaining attached to the objects of the senses. Nonetheless, let the affinity I have developed for you rid me of all fear. Hare Krishna.
Sango yas sansrite hetu
Sangoya samsrite hetu
Asatsu vihito adhiya
Asastu vihito adiya
Sayeva sadhu shukruto
Sayeva sadhu shushkruto
Nisangatvaya kalpate
Sangataya kalpate. Translation. Association for sense gratification is certainly the path of bondage, but the same type of association performed with a saintly person leads to the path of liberation, even if performed without knowledge. Hare Krishna.
Neha yat karma dharmaya
Yat karma dharmaya
Naviragaya kalpate
viragaya kalpate
Natirtha pada sevayai
Tirtha pada sevayai
Jivannapi mrito hi saha.
Jivanapi mrito hi saha.
Translation. Anyone whose work is not meant to elevate him to religious life, anyone whose religious ritualistic performances do not raise him to renunciation, and anyone situated in renunciation that does not lead him to devotional service to the Supreme Personality of Godhead must be considered dead, although he is breathing. Hare Krishna.
See, simple advice. Na iha yat karma dharmaya, na viragaya kalpate, na tirtha pada sevaya jivan napi mito hisa. What does it mean? Everybody is working, earning money, but he says anyone whose work is not meant to elevate to religious life. So many people are working, but they should become religious. Otherwise, working is like a donkey's labor. It should lead him to the position of religiosity. And anyone who is performing religious rituals, that should lead him to renunciation. See, you work, you earn money, that money should be given in charity. After spending something, whatever you require, and keeping something for your emergency, that should be spent in charity. And anyone who is giving in charity, he should not give in charity that tum ek paisa doge, wo 10 lakh dega. Not that percentage. See, not returns, expectation of returns. When you give money away to charity, by that the attitude is, let me get rid of this money. Will anybody think like that? Oh God, not a single guy will think like that. Let me get rid of money. No. But that is what she says. Otherwise, that money itself will eat him. Now, affectionately he will save and secretly keep everywhere. As I said earlier, that the Rakhi tying, the sister comes. The sister is poor, this brother is rich. So, for namesake, he invited her. Then in Bombay, halls are very small, houses are small. So, she is sitting. He has to give some money. He will open the cupboard, only that much his hand can go in. Otherwise, she will see everything inside. So much affection for money. To take out one $5 bill means you are actually lifting 25 kg suitcase. That bill will become that heavy. It is not that easy just to part with. That's why he says, Nehayat karma dharmaya. And yet dharma, whatever you are giving away, it should progressively create an attitude of renunciation in you. And then those who are situated in renunciation, sannyasi, he should not simply have big dadi and matted hair and talking something else. No. Tirthapada sevaya. He should engage in the service of Lord Vishnu. Then it is ideal, which she is saying. Now the next and last sloka. Saham bhagavato nunam.
Saham bhagavato nunam.
Vanchita maya dridham.
Vanchita maya dridham.
Yatvam vimuktidam prapya.
Yatvam vimuktidam prapya.
Namumuksheya bandhana.
Namumuksheya bandhanat. Translation. My Lord, surely I have been solidly cheated by the insurmountable illusory energy of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. For in spite of having obtained your association, which gives liberation from material bondage, I did not seek such liberation. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna Hare Hare